quiet. And while it's walking through that, let's just get a little manual indexing of the rotary here. Go ahead and plop the pallet.
I don't know if they know about this.
Pull those drawers open. This is the tooling. Scroll on width, and then let's open the side up and look at the machines in there too. This all goes, all part of it. Machine is totally arm free, issue free. It's got a great spindle in it. It's got the Z Nano tool probes, rotary head, and the TAT on both sides, which is all pneumatic braking. Equal unit on this side, also with the cool touch off. All stainless washdowns in it. Coolant system's good. It's got a turbo chip conveyor that will ship with it, same one that came with the machine. Got the hour meter